Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to auto skip Netflix intro, right? Yeah, I have facing this problem for a very long time and I have found a solution for it. So once you are into your login account, and you have to just go to a new tab, right? And by the way, this feature is only available for laptop or PC or tab, right? Just go here and just write Chrome extension, right? Or Chrome Web Store, whatever it is, right? And here I am, and just go to the search bar and search here Netflix intro skip, right? And this is a good one which I'm using for a very long time, so you can just go here. And basically it works on Amazon Prime too, or any other streaming platform too, so it's very good for me. You have to just click on whatever browser you're using, and once you do it, uh, it will just take a few seconds to download. It's already downloaded, and here it is, right? So here you can see that it skip everything, I mean not everything, the intro for whatever the streaming platform you're watching in, right? So it's become very easy to watch long form of content. So I hope you found this video very useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.